Fish cake. Here's kimbap. My first time making it. It's my first time making Korean food for the most part. I've made tofu soup before, kimchi fried rice. Other than that, I'm not familiar with a lot of Korean food or cooking Korean food, so don't come at me if it doesn't look right. Cheers. Cheers! So I'm gonna be making soy marinated egg, and I'm gonna get started today because it takes about 3 days, or at least 3 days, for it to marinate in the fridge. So I'm gonna get started now so I can eat it on Thursday or Friday. So tonight for dinner we have KBBQ and these noodles that I don't know how to pronounce. Bibimmen. Yeah, I actually just copied this guy off TikTok. He said this was his favorite meal combo. Yeah, I just copied it. We have pork belly, kimchi, garlic, and bean sprouts, and then I'm trying these noodles for the first time. I think they're kind of spicy. good, but it's pretty spicy.
For brunch today, we have Dubu Jorim. It's basically Korean tofu. We have our homemade kimchi, and then we also have our pickled onions and jalapenos. Cheers! Couldn't get Martin Garrix's tickets for Friday or Saturday at Bill Graham. So if any of y'all know anybody, please, I need 4 for either Friday or Saturday, but I prefer Friday. My bad. Yesterday I said that it takes 3 days or 4 days to marinate in the refrigerator, but no, I read the recipe wrong. It said it lasts up to 3 days in the refrigerator, so I can eat it today. Just eating these soy marinated eggs as a snack before dinner, and then some rice. Cheers! Tonight for dinner we have Korean army stew, and I've only had this one time when I went camping with my friends. This is what they made, but it's my first time making it myself. It's good. I definitely won't finish this all though, so I have to save it. Cheers! lunch today, we have kimchi, tofu soup, and corn cheese. Cheers! After this, I'm gonna get started on making the soy raw marinated crab, and I have to get started today so I can eat it tomorrow for dinner. Pork belly. Nah.
Okay, they're just labeled up. Dumb.
Missing them. I thought you said lemon.
When I was making fun,
You just get hot very easily.
I'm trying to get like what your emotional response is.
Oh no.
And it was just like what's it overall?
Are they?
A little bit, and then you would start to think about it. I was watching it. The girl was in the front. We're gold. I was like, no.
You know, Wednesday is freaking weird.
My mom also. We ate this mostly potatoes that she wanted to. Because I heard that they just go like remake. Like I feel like it was go. It's a weird thing that she should be evil. Right? In the background. Anyway, we play Among Us in college track those two. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Teresaliciouss. Today we're eating bulgogi and rice.
And then I have the corn cheese from earlier because I didn't finish it. And I'm eating with my housemate.
Come on.
What is that?
It's where people give you free money on the internet. You have different tiers, $5 a month. And who is that lady?
I don't know. Alright, for our late lunch, we are eating Korean corn dogs.
You have to be like, they were the best person, sweetest, kindest angel person in like a sunken ship with like a treasure chest and sitting on my lap. Because I want to just scare scuba divers.
Alright, I'm gonna try the soy marinated crab now since it's been 24 hours. That was good. I definitely like this one better than the gochujang one. Pork belly for the protein because I didn't have ground beef and I had a lot of pork belly left over from a couple days ago, so I just used that instead. Clawshack!
Yeah!
Yay, again! I got 2 pounds of crawfish, 1 pound of clams, Shacky's medium, with potatoes. Cheers!
Celery?
In motivation, Sagittarius. We have the same in Jupiter, expansion. We have the same in Aries, so responsibility. We have the same placement in freedom or Uranus. I don't even know how you say it, but same thing,